In this video, I'll guide you through how to save a property search in PropWire. Saving a search in PropWire can be helpful when you regularly look for specific types of properties or work in the same market. Instead of entering the same search criteria every time, you can save your filters and quickly return to that search later. You can also choose to receive notifications when new properties match your saved search. To begin, open your PropWire account and go to the main dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, the first thing you need to do is create your search using the filters and criteria you want to save. Start by entering your location information, such as a zip code or another search area. After that, add any additional filters that match the type of properties you are looking for. This can include property types, lead types, or any other available search parameters. Once you have finished building your search and all of your filters are set, look for the Save Search option on the right side of the screen. Select this option to save your current search settings. After clicking Save Search, you will need to create a name for your saved search. Choose a name that clearly describes the search so you can easily recognize it later. For example, you can include the location and the main criteria used in the search. PropWire also gives you the option to receive notifications when new properties are added that match your saved search. If you want to enable this feature, select the notification option. Then choose how you would like to receive updates, such as through email or text notifications. After selecting your notification preferences, save and close the settings. PropWire will process the request and confirm that your search has been saved successfully. To find your saved searches in the future, go back to your PropWire dashboard and click on the profile icon in the top corner. From the available options, select Save Searches. Inside the Save Searches section, you will see the searches you have previously created. You can review the number of properties currently matching the search, check whether new properties have been added since your last visit, and update your notification settings if needed. Saving searches can make your workflow more efficient by allowing you to quickly return to important property criteria without rebuilding the same filters repeatedly. That's how you can save a property search inside your PropWire account. By creating saved searches and using notifications, you can stay updated on new properties that match your specific requirements.